In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image collage in Affinity Photo. We'll start by setting up the canvas, then bring in photos, arrange them with precision, add style and color harmony, organize your layers, and finally export a clean, shareable file. Begin by opening Affinity Photo and creating a new document from File, New. Choose dimensions that suit your final use. 1920 by 1080 pixels works great for screens, and pick either a white or transparent background. If you're aiming for print, consider a higher resolution. For social media or presentations, standard screen settings are perfect. Give yourself a little margin around the edges so your images have room to breathe and the composition feels balanced. Next, bring in your photos. Go to File, Place, then select all the images you want to include. Click once on the canvas to drop a photo at its default size, or click and drag to place and scale it as it comes in. Each photo arrives on its own layer, which makes editing and rearranging much easier. With your images placed, use the Move tool, shortcut V, to position, rotate, and scale each one. Drag from the corners to resize, and hold Shift to preserve the original proportions so nothing stretches or looks distorted. If you want neat alignment, enable snapping and line up edges or centers as you go. You can also reorder the stack in the Layers panel to bring a photo forward or send it behind another. Now add polish. Click the FX icon to open Layer Effects and apply subtle drop shadows, outlines, or borders that help photos stand out without overpowering the design. To unify color and contrast, use adjustment layers like brightness and contrast, or color balance. Place an adjustment above a single photo to affect just that image, or position it at the top to influence the entire collage. Small tweaks often make a big difference. Keep your project tidy by grouping related layers. Select the layers you want, then press Ctrl or Command plus G. Rename groups to something meaningful, so it's easy to find and adjust sections later. When you're happy with the layout, export your collage. Choose File, Export, pick PNG for crisp transparency or JPEG for a smaller file, set the quality and color profile you need, then click Export. Choose a destination, and your collage is ready to share.